home. I came here last week and they had a couple things on the shelves, so I'm hoping that today is the day where they have full shelves and I can actually look at the lines and not just pretend that I know what's gonna be there and imagine it. I want pumpkins. I want full jack-o'-lanterns. I want the Jack and Sally stuff. Praying to the Pumpkin King right now that that's what we'll find. So let's go in and see. I'm annoyed. There was no improvement. Zero improvement. The last time I was here, the exact same stuff. No improvement. It's been a week. Do they not have anyone running stock? I'm starting to think that the state just does not want to do Halloween before the 4th. And they're gonna stick to that. So I'm not gonna come back here until after the 4th of July. I just don't think it's gonna have any improvements until then. So that's the plan. Trying to decide now if it would be worth my time even going to any other store at this point. I do want to check out Michael's because if they do have their spooky stuff for their Spooky Lake Village, I want to get a couple of things that I regretted not getting early last year from my Spooky Village. So in case it's there, I just want to check. So let's go to Michael's. I'll see you there. Very successful trip. Okay, so I went into Michael's and they do have fall stuff. They don't have any Halloween. But next to, I'll show you guys in the video. Next to that Michael's was a Marshall's. I just thought, you know what? They get things in sporadically. Sometimes it comes in the candle section. Sometimes it starts with the mugs. But this started with the mugs and the pillows. And so we got to see a little bit of the witchy line they have this year. And I wanted to get the turquoise pillow because it matches my little swing area in my house. But I couldn't justify the price right now. So I'm going to think about it. I might get it because I have one that's white that basically does the same thing in that space. So maybe. But anyway, I got a Wednesday mug that I'm very excited about, and I'm going to be using it every Wednesday for the rest of forever probably. Very happy about that. So we're seeing some Halloween. I definitely think that I'm gonna have to wait until after next weekend before we see anything really spectacular. So we'll try again then. All right, day 2, let's go and see if Joann's has anything for us for Halloween related stuff. Hi, from my steering wheel. Okay, so I'm gonna drive there and see what they have. Nothing crazy though. So I think 4th of July. It's just gonna have to wait till the 4th of July when I get back from my parents' house. And then I think everything's gonna pop off, you know? I'm really excited for what I saw online though. So, yeah. Sitting here watching Halloween Town, taking a nap, thinking about all the fun Halloween stuff that's gonna come. welcome back. It's the middle of July. I have spent time with my parents. I went on a work trip. I'm extremely jet lagged, but I have been able to go shopping once when I was on my trip to see my parents in Ohio, and I went to Joann and I got some Halloween stuff. I'll show you later when we get home. But I've not had a chance to get back to a store since then. And I'm currently at a location that has a Marshalls, Michaels, and a Home Goods in one little section. So hopefully we will see some very exciting things today. I don't want to spend my entire paycheck here, but yeah, I kind of just want to look. And hopefully there's some candles. Let's see. Okay, so the first stop, Marshalls, was a waste of time. There was a single Halloween mug and like 2 skeletons. What is with this seat? Why did we not get anything cool? I'm annoyed. All right, let's try Michael's. So I'm not surprised. But yeah, I made some damage, really did. We started off pretty disappointed with Marshalls with literally one Mickey Mouse cup. That was all they had. And then we went on to Michael's, which you saw had amazing stuff. I'm very inspired by the lines that they have this year. And I feel like there are a couple of items that I got that are definitely year-round items. This is so gross to look at. I'm sorry, guys. Then Home Goods, surprise, surprise, seeing that Marshall's had like nothing. I was like, they probably won't have anything. No, they had walls of Halloween stuff. And as I was looking, they were adding more and more. So I would walk down an aisle and then I would walk down again because they were like constantly surprising me with new things I hadn't seen before. And I have a feeling by next week there's going to be even more stuff that I didn't see. There isn't any cookware yet, which is what I was looking for. So, and no mugs there either, except for a set that I got for me and my boyfriend that I'm pretty proud of myself for finding. But yeah, I am ecstatic. I had the greatest time. I'm not gonna go get actual groceries for me and my cat. And then I'm going to head back and I will show you some of the stuff that I got. Yeah. What? Okay. The stuff that I got online at Joann's because everyone was being lame and not stocking their shelves even though I knew they had stuff. I ended up ordering some stuff online so that I could get it before it was gone. Oh, they put it all in one package. Interesting. Okay. Orange lights for the kitchen. Purple lights for the kitchen. A very good kitchen design this year. I'm very excited to do. It's going to be like all jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts with like some spider webs. It sounds like a lot, but I promise it does have a cohesive theme, and yeah, you'll see. I got this actually not as a Halloween decoration, but I plan on putting it up in my little swing area over here on the wall. And I thought it would be really cool if I could get like some flowers to like glue on like the corners of the moon. Really pretty. Oh, it's perfect. That's freaking bats. Oh, I'm happy. This I think I'm gonna put over by my kitchen, but not in my kitchen, because again, I have a whole theme and this doesn't match the theme. Yeah. Oh, it's perfect. This is Happy Halloween. It's like almost tie-dye, but like to me it looks like a magical potion. Like that. And we got these cute little orange checkered ones. Perfect. And this, I'm so excited about. This is going in my bedroom. Year-round spooky art. Isn't that pretty? I love it. Okay. Next. I did eventually go to a Joann's that had some stuff. But I had to go out of my state for it, which is super lame. Okay. This. Absolutely perfect. I don't like doing a lot of welcome signs because I'm afraid of the Fae taking that as me saying welcome into my house, which I'm not. So I'm not putting this outside. I'm gonna find a space close to my hallway. Put that. We're not having any ghoulies coming into my house. All right. I'm so glad I got this. Look at this cauldron. Imagine this topped off with candy corn. It's beautiful. This I got for my spooky picnic. I could probably use this all year round as well on my table or over in my corner. And then I got a couple of death moths to go along with that death moth wall art. Love death moths. And then I'm using these to hold my nail my god, like come out. My nail art stuff. So I've got this little box that says The Moon Made Me Do It, which also has like what looks like tarot cards designed on it. And then, oh, I forgot that was in there. This cute spider web that has the jack-o'-lanterns inside. It's beautiful, I love it. And then last, I got this decanter. A lot of this is year-round stuff, so I'm not too mad about it, but yeah, the actual Halloween decoration stuff, splurge, complete splurge. Those actually go really well together. Let me see if I can move. Look how well those go together. So cute. Ugh. I really need to get some curtains. The glare on my TV is unreal. This is my first time ever watching Scream, so I'm not very excited. Hi, Baby girl. Say hi, Graham.